Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're checking out the LXZ Desktop PC, a budget-friendly yet powerful machine powered by the AMD Ryzen 5 5600 GT. Right pointing finger. Before we dive in, check the link below for the best price and deals available today. Reverse small red triangle. Fire, LXZ Desktop PC, a budget powerhouse. Computer, AMD Ryzen 5 5600 GT, efficient and powerful performance. Black check mark, 6 cores and 12 threads, handles gaming, streaming and multitasking. Black check mark, base clock 3.6 GHz, boosts up to 4.4 GHz, fast and efficient. Black check mark, great for everyday use, content creation and light gaming. High voltage sign, 16GB DDR4 RAM, smooth multitasking. Black check mark, run multiple applications without lag. Black check mark, upgrade friendly for future expansion. Black check mark, perfect for office work, editing, and casual gaming. Rocket, 512GB NVMe SSD, fast and responsive. Black check mark, boots up in seconds and loads applications instantly. Black check mark, enough storage for games, documents, and software. Black check mark, upgrade options available for additional storage. Video game, gaming and graphics, what can it handle? Black check mark, integrated AMD Radeon graphics, decent for casual gaming. Black check mark, runs esports titles like Valorant, CSGO, League of Legends smoothly. Black check mark, for AAA games, a dedicated GPU upgrade is recommended. Personal computer, stylish tower design, white minimalist look. Black check mark, sleek and modern design, fits any gaming or office setup. Black check mark, compact tower size for easy placement on desks. Black check mark, good airflow and cooling to prevent overheating. Electric plug, connectivity and expandability. Black check mark, multiple USB ports, USB 3.0 and 2.0, for easy device connections. Black check mark, HDMI and DisplayPort support for dual monitors. Black check mark, Wi-Fi and Ethernet support for seamless online performance. Fire, who is this PC for? Black check mark, students and professionals looking for a budget yet powerful PC. Black check mark, casual gamers playing esports and light games. Black check mark, work from home users needing a fast and reliable system. Bullseye, final verdict, is it worth it? The LXZ Desktop PC is an excellent budget-friendly computer for work, casual gaming, and everyday tasks. With an AMD Ryzen 5 5600 GT, 16GB RAM, and a 512GB NVMe SSD, it delivers fast performance at a great price. If you're looking for a solid pre-built PC with future upgrade options, this is a fantastic choice. Right pointing finger, check the link below for the latest pricing and deals. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more PC reviews. See you in the next one. Rocket, Fire, Personal Computer.